For exercise 6C, there really are probably only these three equations that you need to be familiar with. Simple interest, the formula to calculate the interest is PRN. Now, P is the amount invested, R is the rate as a decimal. Now, it's frequently given as a percentage and you'll need to convert it to a decimal. And N measures the number of periods. So the other thing is that R and N must be in the same period. The most common period is a year. So if the rate is given per annum and the N, or the time, is given in years, it's all good. If the rate, and the rate is most commonly given as per annum, however, your time is given in months, then you convert your months to years just by simply putting them over 12. So just always make sure that R and N are in the same unit. You don't have to change the time because of whatever the rate is given as. You might choose to, for example, if the rate was given per annum and the time was given in months, you might choose to keep months as your value for N and change your rate. So if you're wanting a monthly rate, then you divide by 12. I'm sure you'll be fine with adjusting that formula. The other one is for compound interest, which interestingly enough does not give you the interest. It actually gives you the amount the investment has increased to. So if we imagine investing P dollars, then sometime later coming back to claim our investment, it's now called A. To calculate the value of that A, we use this formula, and none of that is the actual interest earned. If you want the interest earned in this case, then you subtract what you invested from what it grew into, and the difference between those two is the actual interest. Now, with that one, R and N must be in the same unit, with a bit more this time, as the compounding period. So they could be both given in years. However, if you tell the compounding period was months, they must both be adjusted to a monthly measure. So the rate would be in months, and if it was given in years, that means you divide it by 12. If the time is given in years and you must state it in months, then you multiply by 12. So I'm sure you'll work that one out as well. The other formula that you'll come across in this chapter is the depreciation, which is almost identical to the compound interest, however it's got a subtraction sign in it. Same thing applies to the R and the N. I'll stop the video there and do the example in another video.